Hello, everyone. We want to consider the same question 20b, another question. And the question says, what must be added to 3z squared plus 10z to make it a perfect square? So in the first question 20, I used a method to explain how to find a term that must be added to a quadratic expression to make it a perfect square. Now, here is another question on how to find a term that must be added to a quadratic expression to make it a perfect square. And I'm going to be using another approach to solve this. Now, what is the expression? The expression is 3z to the power of 2 plus 10z. Now, what am I going to add here to make it a perfect square? So let me call it k. So I'm going to find the value of k such that when I add it to this expression, it will become a perfect square. Is it going to be 10 over 100 over 36, 25 over 3, 136, 25? All right, I'm going to be taking my approach from the quadratic general formula, which says that z is equal to minus b plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac divided by what? 2a. Of course, for every perfect square quadratic expression, take note, for every perfect square quadratic expression, b squared must always be, okay, let me start like this. B squared minus 4ac must always be what? 0 for all quadratic expressions. So this implies that b squared should always be equals to 4ac. So here is the formula we are going to use. Of course, from our quadratic expression, we have ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to what? 0. Because I want to find the constant. Now, c here is now the same thing as what here? K. Here, c is equals to k. So I can write c as what? K. Now, pay attention. Now, from here, we said b squared is equal to 4ac. So c is the constant I want to find. So I'll just say c is equals to b squared divided by what? 4a. So for any question, I repeat, for any question that you are asked to find the term that must be added to a quadratic expression to make it a perfect square, this formula will work magic for you. So, all right, so let's go to solve this question. So we have c is equal to b squared divided by 4a. So let's go. What is a? A is 3. Of course, the coefficient of the letter with square of the power 2. That's your A. Now, B. B is what? Coefficient of Z. That's what? 10. That's all. Then you say C is equals to B squared. That's 10 squared divided by 4 multiplied by A is what? 3. So what is 10 squared? That's 100 divided by 4 times 3. That's 12. I already find the constant that I want to add to it. So I can just divide it to the lowest term because there's no 100 over 12 here. So 2 here, that's 50. 2 here is 50. 2 here is what? 6. Right? So 2 in 50 is what? That's 25. Then 2 in 6 is what? 3. So it means that I need to add 25 divided by 3 to this expression. So this one becomes 3z to the power of 2 plus 10z, then plus what? 25 divided by 3. So this is the correct option. All right, don't forget to